Guys, I just wanted to para get your take on, yung let's say the relationship between yung team dynamics and social media in light of what happened to, let's say, the Ascals. The two players na one posted something on Instagram and the other posted something on Twitter na parang they don't want to play for the team because of the coach. And it really opens our eyes to the effect of social media on how a team operates. Na pwede kayong magwatak-watak. You have you have players who can criticize the league. You have coaches who can criticize the league, and which was something was not present during, let's say, your time.
Yes.
Wala
talaga.
Wala gumagano sa Friendster dati, di ba? Wala.
Wala pang Friendster nun. Landline lang meron.
Hindi, di ba kunyari, panahon mo rin.
Oo.
If you wanted to voice out something against your coach or your team or teammate, kailangan you have to talk to a reporter.
Yes.
Di ba? Kailangan may kausap ka reporter, tapos mag-usap kayo, then lalabas siya as a sort of exclusive.
Ay, ako mga reporter.
Oh, di ba? But dapat ganon.
Ano, courtside reporter?
Hindi.
sorry,
Reporter. Ano itong araw na to?
Pwede rin.
Pero pwede rin yun.
Okay, sorry.
Pwede rin yun, lalo na kunyari first day, Laura. Ano nga name ng courtside reporter ng Ateneo, Charles?
Laura.
Laura what?
Hindi ko alam eh.
Oh, di.
Chu?
Laura.
Sakit?
Sorry. Wala ko
Anyway, so my point was, medyo seryoso dapat.
Okay.
Paano ngayon yan? So, kasi nga ngayon, the players now can easily tweet. Let's say, I don't like my coach kasi hindi marunong yung coach ko, tweet ko. How do you stop that? How do you sort of regulate that?
Sa akin, dapat may policy yung team eh. If somebody does that, they have to take actions against him kasi hindi naman tama yun and you're under contract sa team. Tapos it's like you're biting the hand that feeds you, and why should it be that way? I mean, I'm just against it. Kung sa akin lang, kung may issue sila, sana diretso na sila sa coach or sa management. Why do you have to let the people, the public know? Unless iba talaga sobrang nag-away kayo na or whatever na pinilit ka. I mean, if you have to defend yourself talaga, but out of the blue to just take shots like that, man, hindi naman kailangan yun. Kasi you can take the high road and just make some excuse, which is what most athletes do. Naman na bola yung dahilan nila na hindi naman totoo. Oh, I'm injured or whatever.
No, but diba, there's a sort of unwritten rule na kung anong problema ng team, dapat stays within the team.
Dapat
So,
talaga.
how do you parang sort of, I mean, you don't want to control, but how do you discourage yung players and even coaches na yung, huwag muna kayong mag-tweet pag mainit ulo nyo.
Well, simple lang yan eh. Pag tweet din ng isang athlete or nilabas sa social media, ibig sabihin gusto talaga niya ipalabas.
Yeah.
Kahit pa whether mainit yung ulo niya or something, he wanted to do it. Hindi naman magta-type yung cellphone mag-isa or yung Twitter mag-isa. So, kung nasa ganung level na, my suggestion is, tama yung sabi ni Charles, harapin mo lang, face to face. Now, but if you really want to send a message and to let it out in the public, ako, kontra naman ako kay Charles. I think, it's up to you if you wanna do that. Kung yun talaga yung purpose mo.
Yeah.
Pero panindigan mo yun.
Yeah, actually yun nga kasi you, of course, team management can like put policies in place, but
Yes.
I also believe na it's also a right of people to, for self-expression. Of course, may consequences yan, pros and cons, but feeling ko, yung karapatan din ng tao na kung di siya masaya eh.
Doon sa sinabi ni Charles kanina, na yun nga, there are some athletes that BS their way through something like this. It's kind of refreshing what happened. Ako, as a fan, this is from someone na wala naman ka naman sa ganyan eh. This is just me seeing na finally someone is being honest. It's refreshing to me eh. Kasi yun nga, parang a lot of people just BS their way through it na yung mga fans nakanganga na lang, ba't nangyari yun? And then they'll give you a stupid answer na you have no choice but to
Parang
swallow
press
it.
release lang
Yeah.
na which like a fan like you would probably never believe.
Yeah, exactly. Now, you'd want to hear the real story, the real score. And to find it out from the person himself, like I said, to me, is very refreshing.
So that's actually, in a way, for you, mas okay nga for the
Yes.
fans yan eh.
Yes, I
Because it
agree.
actually
Yeah,
gets
that's exactly
you inside
what I
the
mean.
locker room na wherein, whereas before, unless a reporter like writes it, never mo malalaman.
Medyo messy lang, pero at least we know.
As a fan, for the fans' perspective, that's good.
That's
We
good.
like to hear that. But, I mean, being part of a team na, kung ikaw yung nasa receiving end, medyo ayaw mo ng ganun lang. But, ngayon, since wala naman akong team, fan lang. Sure, go ahead. Kasi those are what the fans like to hear, I guess. What really
The
goes
truth.
on behind
Yeah.
in the truth.
Ikaw rin, yan, from a player's perspective.
Kasi if you're part of a team or you belong with a family, syempre yung baho or yung problems nyo, yung hindi yung mga misunderstandings nyo, ayaw mo ilabas sa public. Kailangan nyo ayusin yan internally. So pag may mga social media yan, tama yung sinabi siya, kailangan may policy. Pero ako, kunwari, meron akong mga hindi kasundo sa team or hindi ko kasundo yung mga coaches, hindi ko naman, tulad na sinabi mo, there's an unwritten rule na wag lalabas yung pag mga ganong problema. Kasi parang ako yung magmumukhang, ang iyakin naman nito, hindi lang naman ikaw may problema sa mundo. Parang dapat kausapin mo na lang na mabuti yung teammate mo or yung coach mo kung may problema ka. Parang harapan na lang kayo kasi, di ba parang gusto mo ilabas. Eh ang perfect na lalabasan mo, huwag ka magulo.
Yung sama ng loob. Oo. Kasi pag di mo na kaya, lalabas yung sama ng loob.
Yun na process.
Tama.
Yung mga lasalista talaga, mga utak.
Lasal talaga.
So,
Okay.
perfect na kausapin mo doon.
Ay.
Assistant coach, or teammate, or your coach. So, para hindi na, kasi, minsan, maliit lang na bagay yan, bigla na lumalaki. Pinapalaki ng social media, di ba? Okay rin
Okay. Alam mo, feeling ko, kasi kung umabot na sa point na to, baka naman they're past that point of talking
Yun
na. Kasi
din.
hindi naman siya
Yun
mukhang
din.
irrational person,
Yun
di ba?
That's what I'm saying. Kung wala na talaga, if yun na talaga yung gusto mong...
Oo.
Kung yun na talaga whether kung gumaganto man siya or he's trying to send a message, well,
Basta panindigan
just
mo.
bite the consequences, di ba?
Yeah.
Kung matatanggal ka sa team or yung management, I'm sure, has to choose kung yung coach pa or yung player or kung sino.
Yun nga, parang ang laki na, di ba? Parang lumaki na.
Oo, talaga. It opened up the locker room eh. So ngayon, yun nga, kung fan ka, okay yun. Kasi
Okay nga.
yung mga away, pwede mo nang...
Nakikita mo.
Actually, ngayon pa lang nga, di ba, nakikita mo na yung... Minsan kunyari yung Nico Salvaterez Romeo, nagsagutan sa Twitter. If you're a fan, you actually wanna see more of
May
that.
ganun pala, di ba?
Na parang,
Yeah.
hindi naman lahat buddy-buddy na friends tayo. No, these are, intense, athletes are intense competitors. So even among the team, you're competing for playing minutes.
Yeah.
Di ba? You're competing for ano dyan eh.
Behind the scenes, pero sa harap, di ba?
Oo.
So for a fan, talagang it's wonderful.
So you actually wanna see more.
Yeah, as bad as that sounds. No, I wanna know kasi. Like, I wanna know kung paano sila umabot sa ganitong point, sino nauna, who did who do, ay hindi. Hindi ko na
Who did why what?
Yeah,
Who do
yeah,
who?
ganon,
Who did why
ganon,
what?
yun. So, I wanna understand din kasi. So, sana may lumabas man.
Pero
yun.
alam mo, naisip ko lang, I think nangyayari naman to sa lahat eh. Lahat ng institutions.
Totoo yan.
Sa company or
Totoo
Yeah,
yan, totoo yan,
yeah.
totoo yan.
Nangyayari.
Lahat.
I think it's just refreshing for those who are non-athletes or mga
Sa
artista.
fans.
Oo, na parang nakaka-relate rin sila na, uy, meron rin palang ganyan yan. Kahit na nakikita natin sila sa TV or their competitors, athletes, nakaka-relate rin pala tayo sa...
Parang it humanizes them a bit.
And I think, dahil hindi tayo masyadong sanay na nakikita to, I think eventually at some point, if this continues to happen, masasanay rin yung mga tao na parang totoong tao rin pala tong mga athletes na to, totoong tao rin pala tong yung mga celebrities or mga artistas na to. So I think tama yun, it's refreshing, but yun nga lang, you have to take the consequences dahil pinalaki mo na lahat. You've opened the doors for everyone to see.
Ang tinunong sinabi mo ah. Okay ka lang. Jen, ikaw ba yan, Jen?
Mas malala yun.